up, YouTube? It's your girl Vega coming at you with her very first video. What's going on? I don't know. I guess I'm doing YouTube videos now. So quick thanks to everybody who asked for this video and like gave me suggestions of what to do. Yeah, thank you. So to start us off, I'm going to be doing a really quick tutorial on how I did my Miraculous Ladybug breakdance AU. Before I start, I just want to say that there's no right way to do this cosplay. Cosplay is all about like creativity and having fun, and this is just like my take on it, especially because dance AUs aren't the canon outfit, so it's all about like just put your own swing on it. So you do you, but I hope this video gives you some tips, maybe some motivation. Okay, so first I'll just quickly explain how I made my outfit and like where I got all the stuff and any like tips and advice I can think of. And then after that, we're gonna get straight into the makeup, which is actually like really simple, so it probably won't be a very long video. So things I buy. Thrift stores and craft stores are freaking amazing. Leggings or cargo pants, don't buy them new. That's silly. Pay like $5 for a pair of used ones. Every town is gonna have a good thrift store. I got these ones from Value Village, and they're just like simple black cargo pants. It's great. Got lots of pockets. I love pockets. Oh my god, pockets. Cosplayers never have enough pockets. So don't waste your meager savings on a pair of stylish dance pants, because we got money for that, right? Same with the shirt. I absolutely lucked out finding a shirt at Value Village. So the one I got is this. It was like full length and I just chopped it off, re-sewed the seam together, made it into a crop top. Next step, you're just gonna go to the dollar store, buy some black felt, cut out some nice little dots and glue them on. Do whatever pattern you want. Do lots of small ones, do big ones. I like big ones. All right, let's go put this on. Hello. Looking like a ladybug now. I personally, for female dance AUs, I like having one piece of clothing a bit baggier and the other tighter. So for this one, I chose to have baggy bottoms and a tight fitting top. That's just a personal preference though. You want to try and find maybe like some slightly stretchier fabric that'll conform to your body a bit better. And then like some nice thick shoulder straps I prefer, because then they hide your bra straps. And it just makes the whole outfit kind of flow a bit better. Okay, a few other pieces of this outfit. One is gonna be the armbands. So these armbands I just used, again, felt, cut them up, sewed them together. They're maybe not the best because they're not stretchy and it's kind of hard to get them on my wrist. Did it. Yeah, so in hindsight, maybe not the best thing to use. Be smarter than me. But hey, it works. Kind of. As I struggle to get this. There we go. Another thing I added recently to my outfit was just the black fingerless gloves. I think it's a cool effect having the red and the black together. I just got these at Hot Topic and I use them for like every cosplay I have. So yeah, they were like $10, but so worth it. For shoes, try and find black or red. I've got like these really old red and white sneakers. They're really dirty. They're old. Don't mind me. Remember to have like comfortable shoes, because you're gonna be walking around a convention for a really long time and you don't want sore feet because that's just gonna ruin your whole day. Get good shoes. All right, last thing, the wig. So pretty. So I got this wig off of eBay. I think I paid like $10, 20, 5. I'll put the link in the description. So this is where some people, including myself, struggle a lot with trying to find wigs, because I don't want to spend like 50, 60 bucks on a nice Arta wig. I wish I could. But I usually take my chances with eBay. The best way to find a good wig on eBay is to search for your specific character name, and then they're usually gonna have options that already fit the style that you're looking for. Just avoid anything that says like Halloween or bright, tacky looking colors, because you're not gonna be happy. Usually if it says either the character's name or cosplay in the title, it's gonna be a better option. I'm not gonna go into details of styling. There's lots of other videos out there on styling wigs. And I just added some red yarn. I don't know what else to say about this. It's a wig. It's blue. I like it. And voila! That's the complete outfit. Make sure before you go to a con, you try it on. Running around all day, you don't want to be dying. You want to be able to like actually dance in it. Okay, let's start on makeup. So I first started off by doing a lot of reference photos, looking at a lot of fan art and seeing what the most common style was. I found a lot of pictures that had like the red mask with black dots, but also a lot of just red mask. So I prefer the red mask look, and that's what I went for. To save time, I've already done my foundation, but let's get right into contouring. I really like cheekbones. I know Ladybug is female, and so we don't need as quite pronounced cheekbones, but you know what? I like cheekbones. So we're just gonna start with, got a nice palette of lovely colors. I don't know, I'll just do your basic contouring set. And I go with the, okay, I go with the darkest one there. I'm gonna go under your cheekbone line there. Define some cheekbones. And around the edges to kind of make your face look a little bit narrower. And then under your jawline to make your jaw pop. Alright, now just blend. Remember, it's going to be a different style when you're taking pictures and video. I find doing slightly darker contour shows up better in the videos. And then you want to do some highlights. I kind of mostly just focus down here because the mask is going to be covering all around my eyes. Alright, next we're gonna fill in my eyebrows. So because Mari has blue hair, I also do my eyebrows in blue. I just use a blue eyeshadow and eyebrow brush. Fill that up and put it on. Okay, moving on to face paint. I just got this, is like a cream-based red face paint that I got from Michaels. I prefer the cream base because then you can blur it better on your face for this specifically. One downside of the cream base is when you start to sweat, it also starts to disappear and look nasty. Keep that in mind. Let's do this. Okay, so now that you've got like the base mask on, just gonna blur it a little bit at the bottom using your finger. Mascara. Nice thick black eyeliner. Okay. That's a mess. Let's fix that up. I've got like a thinner one too that I use to define the lines. I like to add a little bit of gold eyeshadow. So I just got the darker gold for the creases and the lighter gold to highlight. Okay, I just filled in a little bit more on my eyebrows. I like to add 3 little dots in the corner just using black eyeliner. Okay, I think we're ready for the wig. Alright, and once you got the wig on, just do some like last minute touch up. And very last step. Bam. I feel like a fish. Oh my god. I know, this is a disaster. Let me fix it, please. I still don't know how to do lipstick. I don't get it. There we go. Okay, that's the makeup done. Like, it's honestly pretty simple. Now we're just gonna struggle into these. It fits, I swear. Oh, please learn from my mistakes. Gloves. Okay, and that is my miraculous Ladybug dance at you. really hope this helped. I hope I answered any questions you guys had, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Or don't. I won't be offended. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you soon. If you're with me, women, let me hear you sing. Ladies all across the world.